In today's fast-paced world, finding ways to supplement your income has never been more important. Whether you're saving for a big goal, paying off debt, or simply looking to improve your financial stability, side hustles offer flexibility and potential for substantial earnings. Here are 5 of the best side hustles that can help you make extra income, no matter your schedule or skill set. First, consider freelancing online. The digital marketplace is booming, and there's a demand for almost every skill imaginable. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect individuals to clients seeking expertise in writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, and more. If you have a talent, be it crafting compelling blog posts, designing logos, or building websites, you can turn your skills into cash. The beauty of freelancing lies in its flexibility. You set your own hours, choose your clients, and decide how much work to take on. Over time, as you build your reputation and portfolio, you can command higher rates and even turn freelancing into a full-time career. Second, explore the world of online tutoring and teaching. With the rise of remote learning, there's a growing need for tutors in subjects ranging from math and science to languages and music. Platforms like VIP Kid, Tutor.com, and Chegg Tutors make it easy to connect with students across the globe. If you're proficient in a subject or have teaching experience, you can help others learn while earning extra cash. Many of these platforms allow you to set your own hours, making tutoring a flexible option for evenings or weekends. Some even offer specialized training or certification, further enhancing your credentials and earning potential. Third, think about leveraging the gig economy. Apps like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Instacart have revolutionized the way people earn money on their own terms. If you have a car, bike, or even just a pair of comfortable shoes, you can make deliveries or provide rideshare services in your spare time. The gig economy is ideal for those who enjoy being on the move and interacting with people. You can choose when you work, log in and out as your schedule allows, and maximize your earnings during peak hours or busy weekends. For many, gig work offers a straightforward path to extra cash with minimal upfront investment. Fourth, consider selling products online. E-commerce platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon have made it easier than ever to start a small business from home. Whether you're crafty and create handmade goods, have collectibles to sell, or want to try retail arbitrage, buying products at a discount and reselling them for a profit, the opportunities are endless. You can start small, testing different products or markets, and scale up as you learn what sells best. Many successful entrepreneurs began as side hustlers, turning their online stores into thriving businesses over time. Finally, invest your time in content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram have empowered individuals to share their passions, knowledge, and creativity with a global audience. Whether you make videos, write blogs, or host podcasts, content creation can generate income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The key is to find a niche you're passionate about, consistently produce high-quality content, and engage with your audience. While success doesn't happen overnight, persistence and authenticity can lead to a following and multiple streams of income. Choosing the right side hustle depends on your skills, interests, and availability. Whether you're freelancing, tutoring, working gigs, selling products, or creating content, these opportunities can help you achieve your financial goals and unlock new possibilities. Remember, the most successful side hustlers are those who start, stay consistent, and adapt as they learn what works best for them.